You employed?
I'm a state trooper with the Texas Department of Public Safety.
How long have you been employed in that capacity?
6 years now.
Are you assigned at this time to a particular area?
Right now I'm stationed at the Abilene office.
I want to call your attention to December of 2011. At that time, were you assigned to an area?
Yes, sir. I was assigned out of recruit school in 2008 until September this past year at the Amarillo office and stationed in Tula in Swisher County.
Swisher County, stationed in the city of Tula in Swisher County, correct?
Yes, sir.
And what were your duties at that time in that outpost?
Enforcement of the state traffic code and on the rural highways.
Patrol officer for the highways, correct?
Yes, sir.
I want to call your attention to the 27th day of December 2011, at about 7 o'clock in the evening. On that day, were you involved in making a traffic stop of a person later identified to you as Brandon Daniel?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you see that person in the courtroom today?
Yes, sir.
Could you point to where he's seated, and if you can see him, describe the article of clothing that he's wearing?
So Daniel's sitting behind that desk. Article he's wearing right now.
Yes, sir.
It's like a yellow shirt.
Now, would you describe to the jurors what led to your contact with the defendant on December 27th of 2011?
I stopped Mr. Daniel for running 84 miles an hour in a 70-mile-an-hour zone.
For speeding 84 and 7, correct?
Yes, sir.
Where did that take place at?
On I-27, about approximately the 83-mile marker southbound.
And explain to us where I-27 is.
Interstate 27 runs between Amarillo and Lubbock.
Between Amarillo and Lubbock. What direction was he traveling at the time you stopped him on that day?
He was traveling south, heading towards Lubbock.
Now, the vehicle that you were in that day is a regular DPS patrol vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Is it equipped with audio and video recording device?
Yes, sir.
And was that device in operation and operating correctly on the day in question?
Yes, sir.
Did that device record your encounter that day visually and auditorily with the defendant?
Yes, sir.
May I approach the witness? Have you had a chance to review the disc of that recording?
Yes, sir, earlier today.
I'm going to show you what's marked State's Exhibit number 80 and ask you if you recognize this as being the first part of that encounter.
Yes, sir.
Does it show in State's 80 the point at which you made the traffic stop with the defendant and getting out of the vehicle and you're subsequently finding marijuana in his vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And then later placing him under arrest?
Yes, sir.
Can we read off the State's Exhibit number 80 this time? Trooper Hoover, what was the general demeanor of the defendant when you were dealing with him on that day?
Very passive, compliant, respectful, and to a point just nonchalant, like it just wasn't a big deal.
Didn't cause you any kind of problems, did he?
No, sir, he's very compliant.
Did you ever at any point feel any kind of threat about his presence?
No, sir.
Did at any point feel that he was going to do something that would endanger your life or you had to take extra precaution in dealing with him?
Nothing out of the ordinary from any other traffic stop I would have made to that point.
May we publish it this time? Yes. Trooper Hoover, we're going to pull this up and show it up on the screen there. Now, what are the jurors looking at this point?
Our video system, once the lights are activated, the video system backs up 2 minutes. So right now, I'm patrolling northbound. And I believe that's if you have it started from the beginning. take it back. I was going southbound, now I'm turning around and I'm heading back north. It's not going to come on just yet.
When you actually start talking about the 2-minute mark, maybe?
It should be about, if that's the case, I'm actually going southbound now.
This is a traffic stop to make it a defendant's vehicle, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
5 Times Sarah Ave, Black Honda Passenger.
What is it that you're reacting to when you go to approach the vehicle and get them out?
I made contact with him. Initial thing I smelled a very strong odor of burnt marijuana.
You know that based on your training experience?
Yes, sir.
And what are you asking him about? Where is that?
When we make traffic contacts with the public, there's a certain manner and a way that it flows called 7-step violator contact. And in this case, whereas like I was in the end, I greet the driver, tell him why he was stopped, and identify myself. But due to the overwhelming odor of the burnt marijuana, I ended the violator contact right there, and that's why I had him exit the vehicle, because I detected something other than what is normal in a traffic stop, and I addressed it.
And he immediately knew what you were talking about.
I believe so, yes, sir. That's why I didn't, in that moment, say it by name as I normally do, because we both knew what I was talking about.
How much you got? You got anything else in your pockets? Nothing else? No, sir. You driving down the road smoking it? I smoked back there. Where was back there at? Where, back in the canyon or Amarillo? Amarillo, I think. Stay like this. Morning, we'll take 43 Chango, home with that, please. 54, 52, 27, check, Colorado. Colorado, 03-259-0735. Where are you headed? You look for a job? What kind of job? How long ago did you say you smoked? 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago? Whatever's in that pot? That looks like your pot better. There's still a little green in it. You didn't see a fly at that time. Is that right here, face me? You got a jacket in there? Alright, let's go with the jacket. Pockets on that jacket? This one. Big thing, stay put together, hands to the side. You slip my finger. You follow it. Your eyes only. Do not follow your hand. Yes, ma'am. Do you smoke? Once a week. Let's say a pretty high tolerance with it. What way? What you talking about? Pretty high tolerance. I worked in Colorado for a long time. Pretty common? Pretty common. Cold in Colorado just yet? It's way colder than it is here right now. Are you sure it'll be alright? Alright! Just one night, good night. Pretty thick, you can't be rusty on the eye. You're not. Where you are, we're carrying a conversation while doing other things. You're intoxicated, so much trying to driving. Can't do that. Unfortunately for you, any amount of marijuana possession in Texas is an offense. Right now you are under arrest for possession of marijuana. Turn around and change like that. Okay. That's one of the things. There wasn't really a doubt. That was the first thing I saw on that window. So I asked if you were smoking while you were driving it. Okay. Now you got enough in there to get a misdemeanor. Let's see. There's under 2 ounces. We'll wait till we get there. How much you think you got in there? Yeah, it's coming up to you. You know what it's all you right now. More on your face. Yeah, I'm going to take the business what you need. Start personal effects, cell phone, wallet. Yeah, cell phone, wallet. Okay. Keep that, please. Now it's time to do this. What inventory you need? Everything. Look down in the feet, make yourself a little pocket. Be a little extra front. You ever been arrested before? For what? I had a motorcycle like that. That wasn't very smart. That didn't work out for you. There. Here. You want to get again? You guys wait till the morning to be arraigned by the judge. About to say 54, 52. Go ahead and show that individual in custody.
were you telling him at that point about the speeding ticket?
But I wasn't going to file a charge of speeding on him. I normally don't stack charges on people when taking them into custody for a higher offense.
You also mentioned about him being more than compliant with these things.
He was very respectful, very compliant, so I didn't see anything.
I'm sorry, Trooper, you were saying?
I said he was being very respectful and compliant. I didn't see any problem with showing him some leniency where I could.
Actually on the southbound 83 exit. Sugar. That address is myself. That's 240. We do appreciate that. As I said, any amount of places.
What was that you were saying about being a productive member of society?
I believe he stated that he was just wanting to be a productive member of society.
Not working and doing all those kind of things that was done. I'll show you what Denmark State's Exhibit number 81 and 82, photographs taken from your case file involving this. You recognize these as being item C's from the defendant on the day in question?
Yes, sir.
Can I read off the State's Exhibit number 81 and 82?
And we have no objection, right?
Is that it? Can we publish? Yes. Now, Trooper Hoover, would you describe for the jurors what's pictured here in State's Exhibit number 81?
Beginning at the top left, that is a marijuana grinder. It's silver in color. On the bottom, the excess after it's ground is used to catch the residue, which is what's in it. About as much as you can put in your pinch between your finger and thumb. The next one to the right is two of the pill bottles of the prescription marijuana. It looked official. What stood out to me on was the fact that they are labeled as if they're flavored. There were three of them: sour diesel, Durban, poison, and John Herrer. I'm not sure. I had to ask Mr. Daniel how to pronounce it. Bottom left is another photo giving the size of the marijuana pipe. The grinder and the object in the middle is used to clean out the marijuana pipe. And the last picture at the bottom right is a close-up of the residue in the grinder.
These items seized from the defendant's vehicle on the 27th of December 2011, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And the State's Exhibit number 82. That's basically the same thing as showing different items.
Yes, sir. Just showing the exterior of the pill bottles and also what was inside each one of them.
And those pill bottles seem to contain prescription marijuana issued to somebody other than the defendant in Colorado, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
No question.
There's no question, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. Yes, sir.
We're going to recess a little early on today. We'll see you back again at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. You're in recess.
Thank you.